Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Insights and Interface. In today's video, we are going to learn about the basics of the pivot table. Pivot table you can understand in simple words like summarization of the large data sets in a simple form without using any formulas. So like there is a company name called XYZ and its sales data includes like order ID, order date, product category, reason, salesperson, quantity and revenue. And the company wants to know the reason why is revenue generated by XYZ company and the total revenue by category. So we created two separate sheets for them. So we are going to create a pivot table, or we can say summarize the table as per their need. So let's start this. So put anywhere your cursor in the data range like I put here, and go to insert tab and choose pivot table. Here first is table or range, like what data you want to summarize. This is called the table or range, and choose where you want to pivot table to be placed. So like by default it choose new worksheet, but I have already created two worksheets, so I will choose existing worksheet, and it is location, so you want location. So we'll go to the total revenue by reason sheet, and here I will choose this. So I get the location, and now I will press OK. So this is about the pivot table, and now we go to, like, there are four things: filters, columns, values and rows. Like one by one we will discuss it later on in upcoming videos also. I will keep this video as simple to understand the basic of the pivot table. So first of all, I have to do total revenue by reason. So I will select reason, put it here in rows. Let's see what happens. So I put the reason here in rows. So here I can see reason. I want their revenue generated. So I will put revenue to values because it's a numerical thing. So all the numerical things I will put into values. So here I get revenue generated by east is 2,70,000, by north 2,50,000, and so on for the south and west also. So this is about the total revenue by reason in a simple word. We didn't use any formulas or functions in Excel. We just used pivot table here. So simple. Okay. There is more complex thing also in pivot table, but we will discuss it later on in upcoming videos only. Okay. And next, our next question is to calculate the total revenue by category. For this, let's go to sales data, and again put your cursor anywhere in the data range so that it will select the entire data. And now go to insert tab, and then there is a pivot table, same as here it will show you have selected a table or range, and there is a new worksheet or existing worksheet. So I have already seen, so I will choose existing worksheet. It will ask for location. We'll go to the total revenue by category sheet. Here I will choose this location. So my location is that perfectly. So next press OK only, and here I want category. As like we did in previous sheet, like reason, we put reason in rows. So in this I will put category in rows. So I will drag category to rows and revenue to values. As simple. So here I can see like electronics category generates 5,20,000 revenue, and furniture like 2,62,000 revenue. That's simple. So this is the basics of the pivot table. There are more complex things. We will discuss it in upcoming videos only. Okay. So that's all about the basics of the pivot table. Hope you like this video and it will be helpful for you. So if you want to stay connected with this channel, do subscribe this channel and turn on the notification so that you will get the notified as soon as I upload the next video. So for now, thanks for watching.